and welcome to my vlog. Yep, it's happening, people. Super Serena is gonna try with emphasis on try to do some vlogging for the first time. Why? Because I'm going on a bucket list trip. Oh, great. Of course, now she starts to talk. As you can hear, I'm at the airport in Lisbon. What I was trying to say is I'm starting vlogging because I'm going on one of my bucket list trips finally to Japan. Yay! So, yeah, as you can see, this vlogging is going to be super amateuristic. Don't expect anything fancy. Um, it's just going to be me and my ugly face. And I'm already like not liking looking at that, which is why I wasn't vlogging in the first place. As you know, I'm more of a writer, but hey, let's try. Let's give it a try. Why not? So yeah, I'm at Lisbon Airport. It was very early this morning, but waiting to board my first plane. First stop is Abu Dhabi before I move on to Tokyo. Yay! So, this lady is really dedicated to ruin my first vlog. Nice. Anyways, I guess that's all part of it. I hope you can still hear me because, anyways, I guess we can start boarding. Oh, I'm definitely not business class, so as you know, I'm always the last one to board, anyways. So yeah, Tokyo, or actually Japan. I mean, first stop is Tokyo. Um, it's April 3rd, 2024, and it's finally happening. I'm going to Japan. Um, Maybe I should do this again because this woman keeps talking. I don't even know if you can hear me. But anyways, I already saw the pilot and the crew going on the plane. So as you can hear, we're ready for boarding. Everything seems to be in time, so it should not be any issues, which is great. Um, yeah, well, yeah, Japan. I mean, I'm very proud of myself. It's a lot of firsts. I'm actually going to Japan for a month with only hand luggage. Who would have thought? Like, only hand luggage. I got one bag here. Well, you only see my jacket now, but and a small bag here for under the seat. And of course, my family pillow. Because first thing I'm gonna do is sleep. That's what I'm looking forward to the most because I'm so tired. You have no idea. It's been crazy. Um, so yeah, what I'm looking most forward to right now is sleeping in the plane. So as soon as I'm in the plane, I'm gonna put my head. I hope there are no crying babies around me. But yeah, well, let's see. Let's see what destiny has in the books for me. Um, yeah, yeah, I'm vlogging, people. I'm vlogging. I don't know. I don't know what else to say. I don't know. I hope you're gonna like it. If not, that's also fine. At least I have some sort of like diary for myself, which is, by the way, the plan. To at least do like a diary kind of thing every day at the end of the day before I go to sleep, wherever I'm going to sleep, because it seems to be a different place every time. I try to at least do some sort of diary of what I did during that day. Of course, I'm trying to take as many pictures, which I always take millions of pictures, so nothing new there. And this time also do some videos uh, of the trip, all the things I'm gonna visit. Do I have a plan? Not really. I tried. I looked like I think at least 1,000 YouTube videos of Japan. There's so many things to see and to do that I was like, you know what? I'll figure it out when I'm there. So, what am I doing? I have no clue. I'll see when I get there. At least I got my first night booked. Actually, I got my first 4 nights booked in 3 different places. So, after that, no plan yet. I will start traveling from there because I'm not staying in Tokyo. I want to see as much as possible from the country. So that's the plan. Yeah. What else? What else to say? I don't know. What do people say in a vlog? I have no clue. As you can see, I'm super tired. I was so tired that actually, oh yeah, funny story. I got here, I bought some breakfast because I was super hungry as well. I sat down, it was hot, took off my jacket, was eating, and then I realized, wait, I'm wearing my sweater inside out. Awesome. 4:30 peeps. 4:30 was very early. So yeah. In the meantime, I went to the toilet to change it. So I look like a normal human being, and people are not like, what's wrong with this woman? Which they probably think, anyways. But yeah. So, yeah, that was a funny story. Other than that, well, all my bags, by the way, I forgot that important thing because, yeah, you know me, monkey lovers. All my bags are monkified. I got the same one here. Look, this is already like first class filming, I can tell you. So yeah, like I said, this is gonna be amateur style. So yeah, bags are monkeyfied, only hand luggage. So hopefully that's gonna make my life easier too. Um, and that leaves room for shopping towards the end if there's any money left. Because yeah, that's another thing. But yeah, I'm super excited, even though it doesn't look like it because I'm just too tired. But I'm very excited. It's finally, now that I'm sitting here, starting to sink in that, oh, it's really gonna happen. I'm going to Japan. So yeah. Anyways, I'll keep you posted along the way. This is already taking way too long. I don't know how long this is supposed to be, anyways. And this woman is just taking over my whole vlog, so I hope you could hear me. But yeah, we're ready for boarding. So next stop, Abu Dhabi. Peace out. Okay, I made it. I'm in the plane, and I have to say, Etihad Airlines. I don't know if you can see. I'm like turning the camera now, but yeah, not bad, not bad at all. We got blankets, pillow, and I have no one next to me except for one man that decided to move and is gonna sit in the aisle, which is fine as long as he doesn't snore. I hope. Um, yeah. So I'm ready to sleep. I already know. So the plane seems to be not completely full, but kind of full. So I really don't know, Etihad, why you gave me such a hard time changing my flights to the fourth, even though I booked it on the third. I don't know. I don't know what the logic is there. But anyways, I'm glad I'm on this flight. Um, yeah, long story. Um, but here we are. Long story short, let's give you a short story because you're like, what the fuck she's talking about. Um, so the night before, so not last night, but the night before, I got a message from Etihad that they changed my flight to April 4th instead of April 3rd. And I was like, really? I don't think so. So I spent the whole night um, talking to them to make sure that I am on this flight that I booked like already in November. So I was like, what is your problem? Thank God the guy on the phone, to be honest, the customer service guy was very, very nice. So after more than an hour, we figured it out, and I managed to get on my initial plane, which shouldn't have been an issue anyways. But yeah, so that's the long story. But anyway, so I'm on the flight. Um, Everything seems good. Again, very much looking forward to sleeping. Now I got two pillows, three pillows. I can even use the one next to me. Yeah, so this is gonna be good. Even in the plane, she's trying to ruin my vlog. Anyways, I'm gonna leave you to it anyways. I already fastened my seatbelt, so let's see. Next stop, Abu Dhabi. Ciao. Hello. Okay, there I am again. Shortly, very short, because I just wanted to show you the goodie bag that I just got. with like very good branding at the out, and they look like pretty decent headphones. Best I've had so far for economy. How bad? And the best thing, here it comes. My sleep tight bag with what does it have? Like an eye mask and ooh, toothbrush. Pretty fancy. And I don't know, there's like packages of stuff, which is probably toothpaste then or something. Okay. Hand sanitizer gel and a whole lot of hand sanitizer gel. So yeah, I'll be all sanitized. So yeah, just wanted to let you know. I don't know why, because I guess that's what you do when you vlog, right? I'm showing you everything. So yeah, here we go. I'm not sure if I'm going to use the headphones to fall asleep, probably. Definitely using the eye mask. So let's do it. Sun is coming out in Lisbon. A bit late because it's been raining like crazy the last few days. Um, but hey, it's fine because I'm going to Japan.
Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened anytime the seatbelt light is on.
Ready to land in Abu Dhabi. I don't even know where to look. There you go. Had a good nap, watched some movies. Now we're here. Yay! Made it to Abu Dhabi. Had to run a bit, but here we are. I'm still in time. Apparently, just need to figure out where I have to go for the next stop, Tokyo. Let's look at the signs. What they say. Let me go check it out. So yeah, there was no gate information yet, but the guy was so nice to tell me that it's C33. So that's why we're walking now. We made it. Abu Dhabi Airport. Yeah, so made it to Abu Dhabi. Found my gate. Next stop, Tokyo. Let's go. Ready to jump on the next flight. I feel like my face is like so dry. But yeah, all good. We're here, all backpacked up. Um, in line now to go in the next plane. So, Tokyo, it's happening.
Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened anytime the seatbelt light is on.
Made it to the next flight. This one seems very packed. Also seems like a less new plane than the other one. Less spacious as well. Um, but hey, 10 hours to sleep. There we go. Blankets, pillows, headphones. Oh, another luxurious package like the other one. So luckily I brought that one. Um, but yeah, all good. Let's go. Tokyo. We're in Tokyo. This is so cool. Welcome to Japan. I made it. There we go.